Students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, I will deliver today a very special lecture. The title I have mentioned on the blackboard: General Introduction, Basic Concept and Methods for determining of rate law, 4 that is of collisions theory. Once again, I repeat the title. I am going to deliver today a very special topic I have chosen, titled as General Introduction, Basic Concept of Chemical Dynamics and Methods of Determining of Rate Laws. The above topic is selected from Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 3rd, titled as Chemical Dynamics. The given title is divided into its sub-2 part. First one part is mainly concerned with the discussion of preliminary idea, general introduction of chemical dynamics. Second one, types. Its second one, that is a part, is mainly deal us the determination of rate laws for collisions theory. Students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1, first of all, before proceeding, before the derivation of collisions theory of rate equations, first of all, it becomes essential to know the basic fundamental features, postulates, the necessary derivation of chemical dynamics. What does this branch of the physical chemistry and how does it is beneficial to explain the structure, mechanism, velocity of the reactions with the variation of concentration with respect to timing either of the reactant and product. Students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1, is our daily routine life the preparation of any cooking vegetables, breakfast or any other kinds of operation is depending upon a certain process undergo by means of certain steps, by means of certain phases. Is our previous video a common and very interesting example and illustration I have stated in the classroom. So in the similar manner, there are so many reactions are known in the environment, in the field of chemistry. Out of such reactions undergo slowly, such reactions undergo very fastly, and there are so many typical reactions are also known which undergo in various steps. Out of one step undergo fastly. The step which is moving in slow step is defined as rate determining step to give the account of order of reactions. So in the similar manner, students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1, chemical dynamic is very special branch of physical chemistry which mainly deals us the necessarily fundamental information study about structure, mechanism, velocity of the reactions, rate of the reactions with the variation of concentration of reactant and product by means of equilibrium, and that is of non-equilibrium conditions here. Then first one, in whole the definition I have stated here, velocity of the reaction, velocity of the reactions act a very special character to explain the mechanism, structure of reactant and product with the variation of concentration of timing here. In order to explain the definition of velocity of the reaction, a common specific example entitled the rate or velocity of the reactions. I have mentioned the blackboard here, in which 1 mole of reactant A react 1 mole of B to produce, that is of 1 mole of C, and that is of 1 mole of D. It is very common example for the definition of velocity of the reaction or rate of the reaction. Both of the terms are the same but different from velocity. Single velocity is our previous video we have defined, in which the velocity, the term, the quantity is used in physics, the branch of the science which shows the variation of changing of displacement or distress with respect to timing is known as velocity, and its unit and dimension is expressed in terms of meter per second, kilometer per second, per hour, etc., etc. On the other hand, velocity of the reaction and velocity both are the different term. Velocity of the reaction is used in, that is of physical chemistry, especially in chemical dynamics, the variation of the changing of the concentration either of the reactant or product with respect to timing is known as velocity of the reactions. I mean to say, concentration is replaced in velocity of the reaction by means of distance, displacement, to define that is the velocity here. So students of MSc Chemistry semester 1, these were the fundamental distinction between velocity and velocity of the reactions here. Now, chemically, that is of dynamically, now I define in excess definitions of velocity of the reaction. A special example I have mentioned on the blackboard here. 1 mole of A reacts 1 mole of B to produce 1 mole of C and D. A and B act here as that is of reactant. C and D act as that is of product here. Suppose we assume the concentration of A, B, C and D are expressed in terms of Ca, Cb, Cc, Cd. Concentration of A, concentration of B, concentration of C, concentration of D. These are the various concentration with respect to A, B, C and D reactant and product respectively. As reaction undergo in forward directions, so obviously the concentration of the reactant here decrease. I mean to say, negative sign will be used here with respect to that is of reactant A and B, while the concentration of that is of C and D increase, so positive sign will be used here. When a kinetic curve is plotted between concentration and that is of timing, concentration is chosen as an ordinate, I mean to say on y-axis, and that is of timing as an abscissa on axis. The shape and the curve of such kinetic curve has shown in that is of figure 1, in which at initial timing t is equals to 0 initial timing, the concentration of the reactant start from peak point, from maxima point. So obviously, as during the progress of the reaction, during the changing of the reaction, as reaction is moving forward direction in such a position, the concentration of 4R means that is the reactant, the concentration of the reactant decrease here. On the other hand, the concentration of the product increase. Hence, I mean to say positive sign will be used here. Hence, in first initial t is equals to t timing, the kinetic curve, the dynamic curve for reactant will start from maxima point, peak point. On the other hand, the dynamic curve with respect to product will start from that is a minima point here, and n equilibrium is shifted here in such a position A plus B to produce in equilibrium condition C plus D In equilibrium condition, the rate of forward reaction becomes is equal to identical with that is of rate of that is of backward conditions here. Now it is the turn to define the velocity of the reaction in terms of reactant A and B here. The mathematical formula you know here, hence rate of A is equal to decreasing of concentration of A, that is of timing. Since A act here as that is of reactant, so obviously negative sign will be used here, decreasing concentration will be used here, decreasing of concentration of A, negative sign will be used here, and timing taken for changing the concentration, that is of here, that is of timing here, is equals to minus dCA upon dt, negative sign for decreasing with respect to the concentration of the reactant here, and mathematical operation for changing, for variation, it will be used here, it will be written here in terms of that is of d upon dt, say that is of equation number 2. So equation number 2 denote here the mathematical expression, mathematical formula, how will you represent, how will you show the formula, the mathematically for the representation of velocity of the reaction in respect of with respect of that is of A. Similarly, since here A and B both we are using here as a reactant, the similarly as 1:1 composition is ratio, then now it is the turn to define, to express the velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of another one, that is of reactant here. Here I have mentioned on the blackboard here, similarly that is of rate of B is equals to decrease concentration of B with respect to the timing is required, time is taken for changing the concentration. So obviously there is no doubt negative sign again will be used here, and d by dt, you know here d by dt, that is the mathematical operation for the conversion which show the that is of changing process, the changing operator with respect to that is of product with respect to the reactant, that is of B here. Now we are having here two types of important mathematical formula expression with respect to that is of velocity of the reactions here. First equation number second with respect to that is of A reactant, and next one that is with respect to the next one reactant, that is of B. Why I am telling you the fundamental information, basic concept, because when you use in collision theory directly this formula, we will use this important formula directly here in exact way. Suppose students are not knowing the basic concept of chemical kinetics or chemical dynamics, so I think their derivation will be discarded, their derivation will be totally rejected, their derivation will be totally in wrong method here. So students of MSc previous chemistry semester 1 of physical chemistry, it becomes essential to know the exact method to write, to express by mathematically, by applying all mean here. Now it is the turn to define that is of how will you define the velocity of the reaction with respect to A, and that is with respect to that is B here. Now on the behalf of it, obviously from equation number 2 it is evident the velocity of the reaction with respect to A show the variation of concentration of reactant A with respect to timing is known as the velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of reactant A. Now next one, how will you define the velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of B here, that is of the variation changing of concentration with respect to that is of B with respect to that is of B, and timing for in respect of that is of next one reactant B is known as that is of velocity of the reactions here. So I mean to say students of MSc previous chemistry semester 1 here, suppose we state the velocity of the reaction with respect to A and B, negative sign will be used here. Suppose now it is the turn to define the velocity of the reaction in respect of that is of product C and D. So obviously here negative sign will be used here because the concentration during the progress of the reactions decrease with respect to that is of reactant A and B, while on the other hand the concentration of product C and D increase, so obviously positive sign will be used here. So suppose we have been asked how will you define the velocity of the reaction for that is of product C and D. So you know here that is of positive sign will be used here with respect to that is of rate of C is equals to, here decreasing means you have to write down that is increasing of concentration of C plus dCC upon dt. Similarly plus dCD upon dt. Increasing will be used here with respect to that is of D and that is of C, and in the case of negative sign, negative sign will be used here in place of that is a positive sign. The incoming timings we will express further the dimension and unit of velocity of the reactions. Now allow me to join to you tomorrow. Now you take care. Till then, thank you very much.